Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator. Sounds interesting and a new launch? Yes, it is a new launch. Want to see the demo as well as my thoughts on it? If yes, keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now Wet n Wild has launched a few of their tinted hydrator. Basically this is not a new launch for US and all. In US and like out of India, this product is, you can say, maybe 4-5 months old or something, but in India it is a recent launch. I will not say it is a new launch, but it is a recent launch. And when I was just checking Myntra at that time, this product was available. So to my surprise, I was like, might as well purchase this product and do a demo as well as review on the channel. So I did that thing. I went ahead and I purchased the product, and now today I'm going to do a demo as well as the review. Now the face makeup which you can see on my face is from this particular, the base which I've used is this only. This is Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. For the base I have used the same hydrator. Now I'll just tell you few of the important things which you should keep in mind before purchasing this. But before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since this is absolutely free, if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if at all you want to follow me in Instagram for some latest updates and all, I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can follow me over there. Right, now we'll begin with the outer packaging. This outer packaging is the same only. It just comes in a plastic packaging which I've already thrown, but this is the out. It doesn't come with any kind of cardboard packaging. This is the main. Okay, over here it was sealed as well as on the inside. When you open the tube, over here it was sealed. I'll show you, like this kind of seal. It was sealed this way. Okay, so this is basically the outer packaging. Now we'll move towards the inner packaging. Inner packaging, in that it says Wet n Wild. It is new, so maybe new launch over there as well as here. Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator. Okay, this comes in 27 ml. Okay, out of India I think they have 10 to 15 shades. But in India, when I checked Myntra, I guess it was 6 shades. But right now in Myntra, this is totally out of stock. So I tried to check up wherever it is possible to get our hands on India. Then Hawk Makeup, it is available, but there are only 4 shades available right now in this. The 4 shades, which is, I'll just check my notes and I'll tell you, because I don't want to make any mistakes in the shade names. One is fair, the second one is light, third one is light medium, and the fourth one is medium tan. So you can say this is the darkest shade. When I ordered this from Myntra, this was the darkest shade available, as well as on the Hawk Makeup also this is the darkest shade. And when you check my demo, in that you can say, you can easily see it was pretty light for me that time. But as the time passed, maybe 2-3 minutes, then it settled down on my skin, and you can see right now almost pretty good match from my neck as well as over here. I have not applied anything, because in any case after this video I'm going to remove everything, so that is why I have not applied anything on my neck. But whenever you apply foundation or maybe BB cream or whatever, don't forget your neck. I have not applied, but you all don't forget. Okay, now front side they say just this only, and I think this is color coordinated. Over here you all can see, so from here you can make out the shade. And when you turn the packaging on the back side, it says each and everything. They say manufacturing, they say expiry. The MRP is 650 rupees. Yeah, the MRP is 650 rupees, but definitely Wet n Wild you can get on Hawk Makeup as well as on Myntra also 10, 15, 20, 30% off. So during sale times you can get your hands on this. This is 650 rupees, and the shade is also specified over here. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. It is specified medium tan. Okay, the manufacturing and expiry is, everything is written. Month of manufacturing is July 21, but import, we should keep the mind in import, because this is going to come from out of India. So September 21, and it is good to go till June 24. So almost you can say 3 years, less than 3 years, but okay, 2 years, 10 months almost. So this is the inner packaging as well as the outer packaging. Now I'll just tell you few of the things, the key features, that is this contains hyaluronic acid as well as vegan squalene. That is what the important key features for this is. Plus it comes in almost 12 to 15 shades over there, not in India. In India I just saw 4 shades. This is cruelty free, vegan, fragrance free and paraben free. Wet n Wild is basically cruelty free and paraben cruelty free brand. So if at all you are a person who do not like to go for some other ingredients and all, then Wet n Wild is a cruelty free brand. You can easily go for this. And there are a lot of other details also. You can definitely go to Hawk Makeup or maybe on Myntra also. You will get all the detailed information over there. Now what we'll do is we'll move towards a demo. Yes, now we'll move towards the demo. For the primer, I have used the Sugar Base of Glory primer. I have used this primer, and for my lips I have used Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Berry Recognize. This is the lipstick I have on my lips right now. Right, these are the basic details I wanted to share. Now in this, as I told you in the intro also, in this Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator, I have the shade medium tan. I am not sure whether this shade will be suitable for me or no. Whatever is there, we'll manage with it. It comes in this kind of squeezy tube only, as I told you in the intro. I'll just squeeze out something, some quantity, and I'll try to I'll apply on my face. Let's see how the shade matches and all. And the tube comes in this kind of sealed packaging. Okay, so that means this is not used and all. For me also this is going to be a first impression, so we both will check out together. Yes, you can say it is a pretty good match. Not exactly good, but it's a tinted hydrator. So, and they say in the description, like before using any kind of blending tool or something, you have to use your hands, and if at all you require, then you can use your sponge, that is beauty blender, or maybe the brush. So I'm going to do the same thing. One squats I have removed, taken out. I'll just take one more, that is, you can say 1.5 almost. This is pretty light for me, you can see, but we'll see, because sometimes this kind of hydrator just settle down. Right now I can feel definitely this is pretty light, you all can see. And mind well, this is the darkest shade available in India. When I purchased it from Myntra, this was the darkest shade, and right now it is out of stock on Myntra. But when I'm checking Hawk Makeup, even there also this is the darkest shade available. And if the darkest shade is this light, then I'm not sure the skin tones or maybe the skin variants, whoever are darker than me, that is maybe NC44 and above. I'm NC 43.5. For me this is pretty light, but then you can see it is adjusting to my skin. It is like initially we felt that yeah, it is not going to suit or something, but now you can see it is adjusting to my skin, and it is not actually giving me any kind of coverage, because over here I can see my freckles and all easily visible. But okay, since it is a tinted hydrator and I can, this is not like drying on my face, I can feel little bit hydrating. And right now I have applied this on my face. Now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera, I'll come back with the full face of makeup, and I'll just share my thoughts that how the rest of the makeup went on the skin. I'll just come back. Yes, you already have seen the demo, as well as you have seen each and everything. I have already told you my lipstick details. For the face makeup, you can say I have used this Sugar palette. It is Sugar not Contour the Face palette in the shade variant 1 Subtle Summit. This is the palette I have on my face. Rest of lipstick also I have told you, I don't want to repeat. So now if you will ask me what is my thought, then 650 rupees for a tinted hydrator. Yes, this is tinted hydrator. It is not exactly like full coverage. It will give you a medium tint on your face, but cruelty free. If you are looking out for some brand which is cruelty free, which gives you a good medium coverage, then for me, yes, I will say you can go for this product. But wait for the sale. 650 and 27 ml is little bit expensive. So wait for the sale and you can grab. Right now I have not set my face totally with powder. I've just set my under eyes, and for under eyes I've used the concealer. That is why I have set my under eyes. Otherwise it will crease and all. The concealer will crease. Now these are my hands. I'll just see. I cannot see any product on my hand. So they say tinted hydrator, but this is not transferring. And this is my phone screen. I am not sure because they do not claim anything. This is my phone screen. I'll just try to do, like, whenever I talk on the phone, I talk like this only. So I'll just see whether it is transferring on my phone or no. Like this. No. I'll just switch off the phone. Otherwise, you can see it is not transferring on the phone also. So if you are a person who is having dry skin, who is looking out for some medium coverage, who wants a hydration on their face, then definitely this product, you can go for this product. But I'm not sure about some oily skin person, because it is not very oily, but I'm not sure how it will be like this, how you can pull off this tinted hydrator. For oily skin, I cannot really vouch, but for dry skin, definitely I will say this is a good hydrator. Hydrator, it means they'll give you some hydration effect, that is some hydrating feel on your face. And for that, you can say for winter season, if you're looking out, then definitely you can go for this, because in winter, foundation or sometimes your skin tends to get cracky or something, then that times you can use this kind of a hydrating foundation or maybe a hydrator. Since this is a hydrator, this is very lightweight on the skin, that is on the face. And yes, this is not at all a sponsored video. I have got this product by my own money. If you have watched my Myntra haul, in that I have shown this product to you. I'll link that video up in the I button. You can definitely go ahead and you can watch that video. In that, all the products, like whatever purchased, I have purchased in last, maybe you can say 1.5 months, almost 2 months, I have shown you all the products. In that, this was there. And if at all you want to see a full face of Wet n Wild makeup, almost I have everything from Wet n Wild. If you want to see a full face of makeup, let me know. That also I'll try to do that full. Like I don't have 2 to 3 things. That is, I don't have liner, I don't have mascara, and I think eyebrow pencil I have already finished up. So I don't have, only 3 things, rest all full face I have. So if you at all you want to see full face, let me know that. And I have tried to cover each and every point, but still, if you have any other query or if you have any other questions, do let me know in the comment section, or else you can ask me on Instagram as well. And yes, one thing I forgot to tell you, to set the tinted hydrator, that is to apply, I just have used my hands. I have not used any kind of blender, or maybe I have not used any kind of brush. So that is a plus point. So if you are traveling somewhere and you don't have proper tools to apply your foundation or maybe this hydrator, you can apply easily with the hands. And I cannot see any streaky marks or my finger marks or anything. So you can say it settles down on the skin very well. Yeah, I have, like as I told you, tried to cover, but whatever, you can ask me anytime. And if at all you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Please don't go without liking the video, because your one like always encourages me to make more such kind of hundreds videos. So please like the video and share the video. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.